How to uninstall Blood Strike game on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Whether you are using an Android smartphone or tablet, and if you want to uninstall the Blood Strike game, then the process is quite easy. First of all, go visit your app drawer and look for the Blood Strike application in the app drawer. Once you find it, simply go ahead and press hold it for quite few seconds, and in the pop-up click on the trash icon. Now click on uninstall and you have successfully deleted or uninstalled the Blood Strike application from your Android. If you decide to play the game again, then you can reinstall the game from your Google Play Store and sign into your account to continue your progress if it was linked. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.